Hello everyone. Many of you were having a problem of isoplanes. You could not understand isoplanes, so I made this video. So here you can see I made these two drawings. So that's what resembles to your drawings. If your drawing look like this, it's basically a right plane of a cube. Or if your drawing look like this, it's basically it resembles a left plane of a cube. Or you can just see here this these lines will make 30-degree from the horizontal and these lines will make 150-degree from the horizontal. So we don't have any problem in drawing line, but when a circle is involved or any curve is involved, then we need to specify our isoplane. So here you can see if we imagine this will be a right face of the cube. Okay, so we need to use this isoplane right for making circle on this. So here click on this, select isocircle, and here you can see so that's how we need to use this. Now let me use isoplane left, because if we want to make circle on left plane, we need to use isoplane left. Okay, so here you can also use this if we have something like on this part of this plane. Okay, so whatever the side it is, it will always be a right face. So select isoplane right, here you can see on this right plane, on whatever side we need to use isoplane right for making a circle on this. Okay, so what about circles which looks like they are coming out of the drawing? So for that we need to use isoplane top. Here you can see it is looking like this is coming out of the drawing. So for those circles or curves which looks like they are coming out of the drawing, we need to use isoplane top. Okay, so there is one more problem. You people could not use these options. So here in these three lines, we have all these options. So when I click on these, they just show in this line. They don't turn on, they just show. So if I want to turn on, I need to click on them. Like if this is ortho option, we just use F8. But if we want to turn it on from here, we need to click on this. And if we want to turn on this polar tracking, we need to click on this. Okay, so I guess this gives answer to your doubts.